Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways that you can style your shorter twists, braids, or even locks. These are crochet spring twists, by the way, and my braid pattern is not meant for full ponytail styles unless you have a headband. So these styles will either be half up, half down, or with a few twists pinned to the back. A few things I use to keep my styles in place are bobby pins, butterfly clips, regular ponytail holders, and these snappy hair ties, which I really like, and I'll be talking about them at the end. My first style is the Shenaniga Ponytail. My sister actually replied to my story one day with this gift because I was wearing my hair like this all the time and it reminded her of Shenaniga. For this style, you're going to be doing half up, half down. You're going to grab a chunk of hair while leaving the sides down. For this style, I'm leaving the side twist down, and instead of a side ponytail, you're going to put it in the middle. Taking that same ponytail, you're going to make it into a bun. Next is another half up, half down middle ponytail, but with bangs. You can put the side twist up or leave them out. Now we have a one side twist back, and then I'm going to be twisting both sides back. These styles are great if you want to keep your hair down but don't want it in your face. Next up is the deep side part flat twist headband. Another good one if you want to keep your hair down but out of your face. Lastly, we have the half up, half down double ponytails, which I'll be making into two buns. Since it's crochet, you may want to crisscross the twist at the back of your part so it ain't looking crazy like your part never ends. I love to keep the sides down, but if you don't like the way that looks, you can wrap it around the base of your ponytail where your ponytail holder is, or just add it to the ponytail. Now on to the space buns. These are the snappy hair ties I mentioned at the beginning. This is one snappy and it snaps together. to make a standard size ponytail holder. Quick disclosure, I was gifted these snappy hair ties a while back and they are amazing. Since the hair ties snap together, you can connect as many as you want. You can close it off and make a huge circle like a regular ponytail holder, but I like to keep it open and wrap it around the base of my ponytail before I snap it closed. These snappy hair ties are definitely a must if you like to wear box braids or long styles or even shorter spring twist styles like this, because if you want to put your hair into a ponytail with these regular ponytail holders, it is like a workout. So you're trying to put your hair up into a ponytail. Now you already can't even get all the hair into your hands. So what I do is take these, you can put 2, 3, 4, however many you want together. I probably wouldn't do more than 2, maybe 3. So you're just gonna take a big chunk of hair, and instead of struggling with a regular ponytail holder like this and like really fighting to get your hair through there multiple times to make sure it's tight, and possibly even breaking. That's not even all of my hair. I don't even have all my hair up into this ponytail. Instead of fighting and doing all that just to get your hair into a ponytail, you can take see, look, your hair gets all tangled up in there. Okay, instead of using a regular ponytail holder, you can take a snappy hair tie. And if you've ever used those little bobo balls that little girls wear in their hair, that's how I like to wrap it around. Instead of fastening them together before I put my hair in a ponytail, I leave it open. I grab one end, and then you just want to wrap it around your ponytail underneath like this. Wrap it around until it is tight enough, and then snap it. I'm trying to switch hands so you guys can see. Snap it in place, and see, they're snapped together. And how much easier was that than struggling and fighting to put your hair into a ponytail with a regular ponytail holder? Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.